I lost 60 pounds in 1 year just by doing this. Walking once a day. That's it. I didn't change my food. I didn't have a calorie stepper. I didn't count it. So let's stop overcomplicating things, okay? I'm Karen Wilson. I think I can call myself a professional walker because I've been doing this for a long time. I'm going to show you a little bit of where I came from and what I did. Show reel. And there is so many benefits to walking. There's a ton of videos about that. So let's get to the deep dive of getting an action plan together. You might think that you have no time, but listen up, you do. If you've tried everything and nothing has worked, what do you have to lose? I'm going to challenge you to walk it off with me for 30 days. Just a 20 to 30 minute walk every day. It must be outside. And with absolutely no music, nothing. Don't worry about a step tracker. Keep it safe. The reason why I suggest walking it off without music or podcast or something incoming is so that you get the extra benefits of actually walking it off. You see, you can walk to burn calories, you can walk to burn fat, but walking and listening to your thoughts in your mind and what's just going on in there, you're going to look and feel better. You're going to feel better physically, you're going to feel better mentally. You're going to sleep better. Yes, we can talk about nutrition in another video, but here's the thing. When I started walking 20 some odd years ago, that's all I did. I had a moment in an A&W bathroom, okay? I just had my gallbladder removed 2 weeks prior. I went on a bender the night before for a wedding, and I found myself in an A&W bathroom stall, visualizing my funeral, the announcement in the newspaper, girl dies in bathroom stall at A&W restaurant, leaves behind 2-year-old son. It was that moment that I finally decided that I was going to change, that I had to change, because I thought I was going to die. So I made a promise to change. Yeah, I heard my mom's voice in my head saying, Karen, if you just begin to walk every day, you'll start to feel better. And so it was. I began by walking my son to school, which was just a couple of blocks down the road. And the first walk that I did was after I dropped him off from school on my feet, I would walk around 2 or 3 blocks, and I would take about 20 to 30 minutes. Now, it was up a little bit of a hill, and I would get so sweaty. I would take a route that I thought nobody is going to see me doing this because everybody's going to think I need to lose weight. I was so embarrassed. But I did it, and I did it every day. And before long, my clothes were getting looser. And then I began walking more. So I gradually added on. Here we are in 2023. And I'm a week away from my 50th birthday. And I decide, what can I do for my 50th birthday? Well, I'm going to take you all, whoever wants to join with me, through a 30-day walking challenge. So you're going to find a link below for the Walk It Off challenge. Go ahead and sign up. It doesn't matter when you're seeing this video. I'm sure it will still be at play. You might be just hopping in on a different challenge or in the middle of a challenge. I encourage you just to get moving and join in on this. It will be happening right here on my YouTube channel. By that, I mean I'll be posting videos and updates about how the week went, different types of walking so that you can have different styles, not only physically, but mentally. If you're creative, this is for you. If you're perimenopausal, this is for you. If you just need to get outside more and you're a busy person, this is for you. If you're a human, this is for you. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and sign up down below. Make sure that you like and share this video. Go ahead and ask your friends to join because I know This is going to be a blast. Let's do it.